live is probably gonna be real interesting. All right, let me go get a couple things. Although I'm known for my vegan mac and cheese, it is not my favorite thing to cook. It is my least favorite thing to cook because I cook it so much. My favorite thing to cook in vegan cuisine is whenever I'm doing anything that is West African. Keys to success was just truly staying true to myself. I did not have a plan when I decided to cook vegan. I didn't even have a plan when I decided to do content. I just really did what I felt like doing. And I listened to the people. I asked people what they wanted, and it inspired so many. My food stands out because I always strive to do something differently. I like to take flavors and keep them authentic. So anything that I can remember having when I was younger or when I did consume meat, and I was a big foodie, so I tried food from all over the world. I want to make sure just because I'm making it vegan, that it's going to taste exactly the same. When I meet people from other cultures, a lot of times I meet them in passing at the grocery store. I usually look for older people to follow around the grocery store and try to just pick up exactly what they're picking up, and then find out a way to communicate with them to learn how to create the meal. If I could cook for anyone, it would be Beyonce. Yeah, absolutely, Beyonce. Oh, and the Obamas. Yeah. Michelle, come on. You wanna try some vegan food that tastes good?